Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be about as quick and simple as it gets. Long story short, I tried to twist out. I thought it was a fail, but when I posted a picture on Instagram, you guys said you liked it and you still wanted to see it. So although I'm not happy with it, I'm going to give you what you want. Not going to do a voiceover over the whole thing. Basically, I washed and deep conditioned my hair and then used those twists to moisturize and style the twist out twist. And then it wasn't 100% dry, which is why I thought it was a fail, so I had to diffuse. At the end of the day, this is what it is. Thank you for watching in advance. Let's get into the video.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.